around your cut. The city moved beyond the glass, but I was only looking up to catch the way you tucked your head and smile before you spoke my name. I answered like it meant so little, while nothing in me stayed the same. I learned to live inside small moments and call that carefulness enough. I loved you more than I said, in every silence, every sigh. My darling, had you looked at me the way I always looked at you, I loved you more than I said, more deeply than I dared to show. You left and all that stayed with me was all the love you did not know. There was a night in late September, rain came down and blurred the street. You stood beneath the awning laughing, drops of silver at your feet. I almost told you then and there, before the taxi pulled away, but fear can dress itself as reason and steal the truest words to say. So I just said, get home safe, darling, and watched my only chance grow small. I loved you more than I said, in every silence, every sigh. My darling, had you looked at me the way I always looked at you, I loved you more than I said, more deeply than I dared to show. You left and all that stayed with me was all the love you did not know. I kept your name in ordinary places, in books and coats and songs I never played. And even now, if someone asks about you, I speak too calmly for the price I paid. The truth is simple, though I hid it badly. You were the life my heart had chosen.